Welcome, builders of the internet! My name is Jessa and I work in construction, and lately I've been in the process of renovating my first home. I've had it for about a month now and been working on it in my spare time outside of work and uni, and I've been really fortunate that my friends and family are helping too. If you'd like to see the full progress and the house buying process, you can find videos up here, but otherwise I hope you enjoy. On my mind. I'll start off with the bathroom. Here's what it was originally. And so far I've gotten rid of most of the paint from the walls. Because it's quite a small space, I wanted to make it feel bigger, and I'm going to do this with white marble effect tiling and all white fittings like in this image. I'm using the same tiles on the walls and floor too, so I thought it would be better to do the tiling half height where possible, like in this picture. Next we have the living room. A quick view of the before, where the fireplace has this marble effect to it too. So I think the plan is to clean it up because I think it looks alright really. I found this image online, which is a nice idea for the final aesthetic I might want to go for. I've never done this sort of project before, so my parents showed me the ropes on how to take off wallpaper and paint. A colleague later told me that I could have scored the wallpaper first to make it come off easier, which could have probably saved me a bit of time, but at least I know better for next time. I was also removing the underlay from some of the rooms and getting rid of the tack strips, which you can see over here. And onto the kitchen. Here's what it was originally, and it's a little bit grungy and dismal looking to be honest, so I've been getting rid of the wallpaper and paint underneath as I have in the other rooms. I quite enjoyed this part actually because I felt quite tall being able to stand on the cabinets to get rid of the wallpaper, but really needed to wash my hair afterwards because there was so much dust and gunk on the textured ceiling, which I cannot wait to get rid of. Here's most of the paint removed and some cabinets have been dismantled. The builders who are doing the kitchen have said that they'll hack off the tiling and get rid of the rest. There's also this larder which has quite gross shelving, so we got rid of that, and I think that's where my fridge will be in the end. I wasn't really sure what I wanted for the kitchen because there are a lot of options, but here's one I quite like the look of because it seems cozy. In this one I like the contrast between the wooden countertop and the light colours elsewhere, but would probably prefer something a bit more durable than laminate. I also had a sneaky peek at a similar house listing nearby to see how many cabinets they're able to fit and so on. In the end, my favourite one was this. I don't like handles very much because I keep bumping into them and hurting myself. I really like the integrated lighting here and generally minimalist approach, so I'll be using that as inspiration. And finally, we're on to the bedrooms. The main one has room for a double bed and had this big built-in wardrobe, but it didn't have a back to it, which made the walls quite dirty, so I've just decided to get rid of it. I've also made that curtain a little bit wonky, whoops, and the skirtings have been removed. The second bedroom is a bit smaller with another built-in wardrobe, which I've also gotten rid of, and you can see the lovely ceiling patch of where it once was. With the bedrooms, I'll keep it relatively simple. I think I'm opting for laminate flooring and white walls, and I'll just get a rug if it's too cold and to stop furniture scratching it. I think I'm going for a less is more approach in the hopes that it doesn't age poorly, so that I don't have to be too worried about it looking dated if I decide to sell the place later. Thanks for watching this video. I'm so excited for this next phase where the walls and ceilings will be sorted, I'll get a new kitchen, a new bathroom, and hopefully the place will be ready for me to move into by the end of the year. So subscribe for more updates and leave a comment if you have any tips, advice, or questions for me. But that's all I have to say for now. I hope it helped build on your mind. Thanks for watching this channel, it's building on my mind. Check out my other videos, but first hit the bell and comment, like, subscribe. Please, everybody else with you.